PoddyHost AI is a game changer in the AI software space. And in this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released tool. Stick around till the end to find out what makes it stand out and why it might be the best AI software you haven't heard of yet. First things first, PoddyHost AI isn't just another run-of-the-mill software. It brings cutting-edge technology to the table, especially in content creation and automation. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or just someone looking for AI solutions to streamline your processes, this tool could be a perfect fit for you. What's even better, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, what sets PoddyHost AI apart from its competitors? For one, its intuitive design is crafted for ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, you'll find navigating this software straightforward. Unlike many AI platforms that require steep learning curves, PoddyHost simplifies the process to let you focus on what really matters, creating and managing your content efficiently. One of the most impressive features of PoddyHost AI is its content automation capabilities. It can generate high-quality content in a matter of seconds. Imagine saving hours of work each week. Whether it's generating blog posts, social media captions, or even script writing, this tool does it all. Plus, its AI is smart enough to understand your tone and style, allowing it to create content that feels personalized and authentic. Another game-changing aspect is its scalability. PoddyHost AI doesn't just serve small businesses, it's also designed to scale for larger operations. Whether you're a solopreneur or managing a team, this software adapts to your needs, making it suitable for a wide range of industries. It doesn't matter if you have one project or a dozen, it can handle them all with ease. PoddyHost AI also integrates seamlessly with a wide range of other tools, including popular CRM platforms, email marketing systems, and social media management tools. This means that you don't have to worry about manually transferring data between different platforms. Everything is connected, saving you time and reducing the chances of human error. But here's where it gets even better. PoddyHost AI is built with an advanced algorithm that not only generates content, but optimizes it for SEO. That means the content it generates isn't just engaging, it's also designed to perform well on search engines. This is perfect for marketers who are looking to get an edge in the ever-competitive online space. Another great feature is its continuous updates. Unlike some software that gets stagnant after the initial launch, PoddyHost AI is committed to improving its features, constantly pushing out updates and new capabilities. This means you're not just investing in a tool for today, you're investing in a tool that will evolve with the industry. Now, here's a little bonus. PoddyHost AI comes with a built-in analytics dashboard that gives you real-time insights into how your content is performing. It's a huge advantage for anyone running campaigns or managing multiple projects, as it lets you track performance and optimize your strategy on the fly. To wrap things up, PoddyHost AI truly has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and manage content. Its user-friendly design, robust features, and scalability make it an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes. And remember, if you're curious to try it out for yourself, you can get started for free with the first link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI software tools, I've got my recommended list in the description, including PoddyHost AI, so be sure to check them out if you're looking to take your content creation to the next level.